Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to unbox the new Adidas James Bond Ultraboost. Kasi 'di ba may bagong James Bond movie and I wanted to, unbox the shoe for this special occasion. And meron din tayong NBA cards. But prior to all of that, I just want to wish somebody happy birthday. So to DJ Big Boy Cheng, happy birthday, more blessings, good health, more success to you. Guys, quick story. Alam nyo naman na na-COVID ako recently. And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video about my COVID journey, I link it somewhere up here or down there. And one of the things that I had a problem with, kasi sa quarantine unit ko saan ako nag-stay, walang kama. So, sobrang bait ni DJ Big Boy Cheng. Meron tayo dito yung Thrill, which is their parang bed in a box. So, sobrang panalo to, sobrang lambot, sobrang laking tulong para sa akin. And pinadalan pa nila ako nung prone pillows kasi pag may COVID ka, you can't sleep on your back kasi it's hard for your lungs. So yung prone pillow allows you to sleep better pag nakadapa. So again, shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng. I appreciate the friendship, the generosity, and the kindness. So with that said, unboxing na. Pasensya na, magulubok ko guys. My hair is messy. Haven't got the chance to get the haircut. So, I got this sneaker from Adidas Philippines, the website. This is the new Adidas James Bond 007 Ultraboost. By the way, I just want to give an update. Even though I've recovered already from COVID, I think I'm day 24, there are still some symptoms that linger. So for example, I still get tired easily. I still don't have my sense of smell. So the reason why I'm sharing that is that COVID, even if you recover from it, sometimes it still has long-lasting effects. So mask up, be safe as much as possible, follow all the health protocols, okay? And by the way, kung di pa kayo nag-register magboto, mag-register na rin kayo. Anyway, so this is the box. So as you can see, box pa lang, ulam na, or just the box itself is already awesome. You have the parang gun barrel, di ba? Usually in the OG James Bond opening sequence, you would see them there, no? So anyway, so ano pa ba nakalagay dito? Here on the side, you have the price and the sizing, and it says over there, Ultraboost DNA James Bond. SRP is 9,900 pesos. So this is the top cover, and if you remove it, it's a box within a box, and then you have 25007, and then if you pop it open, they really went all out kasi it even has its own dust bag. Diba usually you'd get straight to the shoe. So for the 007 Adidas sneaker, may sarili siyang dust bag to cover it. And then let's get to the actual shoe. Alam niyo naman, I love white sneakers, diba? So I couldn't resist picking this one up. Ba-bam! So you have an Ultraboost DNA. You have the Prime Knit upper. You have some sort of like leather-ish cage over here with the 3 stripes. 007, some sort of like patent leather here at the back. And then again, yung logo. I think baka yan yung sa bagong movie ng James Bond. Sorry, di ko pa napapanood eh. Medyo, we don't have movies yet here in the Philippines. So, I'm kinda out of sync with the cinemas. And then you have the Ultraboost naming here along the side. And then of course, you have the Continental outsole. Ganda! Sobrang panalo. So, it's a super clean shoe. It's not screaming James Bond. It's not, super loud, hey, look at me, James Bond yung sapatos ko. It's more subtle, it's more sophisticated, classy, and for me, easy to wear because at the end of the day, it's a triple white pair of Ultra Boosts, which is just super win. Now, the other pair is just the same as the right pair. So left, same as the right, same markings, same design, nothing too different. So if you haven't tried an Ultra Boost yet, they're super comfortable, primarily because of the Boost midsole plus the Prime Knit upper. If you're a James Bond fan, you might want to try this out. If you're a triple white sneaker kind of fan and you want like a collab pair to add to your collection, you might want to check this one out as well. Okay, so that out of the way, yun ang ating unboxing. Punta naman tayo over there on the table because I have a pack of NBA cards that I have to unbox with you guys. So this is from the drafts, the cards that I won from drafts with Andy/Latrell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nakuha kong cards. So we have over here yung package na pinadala nga ni Latrell. So by the way, the drafts, they usually work. You pick a slot, pagkatapos nun, they randomize the slot, and then you pick one by one kung ano yung cards na gusto mo makuha. So ito yung mga cards na nakuha ko through several drafts. So tingnan lang natin. We have LeBron James Artistry in Motion, Downtown, Zion Williamson, ganda. Fearless na Zion, Flash ba tawag dito? Somebody let me know, yung mga experts sa NBA cards. Ano ba yung tawag dito sa ganitong klaseng card na Zion? We have a rookie Ja Morant, yung R red, white, blue. Sa mga fans ni Ja Morant. By the way, the news came out no, na he's asking for like $1 million to join the dunk contest. Wala lang funny. We have a pack of cards over here. Hindi ko na muna bubuksan, pero may Obsidian na Kevin Knox and may parang RJ Hampton dito sa likod. But we won't open that na. Now, this one I got kasi I'm trying to collect the 90s Bulls na patch auto. We have Kukoc, we have Rodman, and we have Luke Longley. So now we can add BJ Armstrong. So, di ba? You have the auto, you have some sort of jersey yata dyan. So, this 88 out of 99. Elegance. Ganda nung story nito nung The Last Dance, nung nagkatapat sila ni Michael Jordan. And I don't know if you guys watched it. Parang si BJ Armstrong, I think was with the Hornets, I think. Tapos parang he was able to score and lead the team to a win, pero dinurog siya the next game. We have over here Precious Achiuwa, Miami Heat. Mukhang puro Precious Achiuwa to. And then we have a blank slate dito ni DeAndre Jordan ng Clippers, who's now moving to the Lakers. Ganda oh. Sobrang tonto ako sa mga blank slate cards. They're just so clean. We have a PSA 9 na Kobe White from the Bulls. Kobe White. And yung pinakamagandang card over here, we have this PSA 10 rated rookie Luka Doncic. O, diba? Sobrang panalo. This is like worth significant money. So yun yung nakuha natin from the draft, from the different drafts that I joined from Andy aka Latrell. Ito yung Bulls cards that I was mentioning earlier that I was collecting. So we have Kukoc, we have Luke Longley, well yung Rodman ko hindi Bulls. So maghanap tayo ng Bulls na ganyan. And of course, I'd love to get like a Pippen as well as a Michael Jordan someday to complete the collection. Tapos yung mga blank slate, the two that I have that I really like, we have the Trae Young blank slate and we have the Stephen Curry na blank slate. Sobrang ganda lang na cards kasi they're so clean, no? So kayo, let me know what you guys think. And if meron kayo ng mga Bulls na ganyan, yung may autograph, please do comment down below or message me on IG. Gusto ko talaga kompletuhin yan. Yung other oldies cards ko, we have Jason Kidd over here. We have Mutombo. Of course, Durant, nung nasa Thunder pa siya. Trae Young, Werther, Devin Vassell. Well, medyo bago-bago na itong mga to. But yeah, yan yun. Apart from the James Bond sneakers pala, I still have another Adidas pair. We have a pair from Peak Tai Chi and a bunch of sneakers that sell for less than 1,000 pesos. I'll be unboxing that in the next few episodes, as well as smart glasses from Razer. So abangan nyo lahat ng content na yun, lahat ng videos na yun, coming soon here on the channel. So I hope you guys are all doing fine. I hope you're all okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you think of today's episode. Yeah, that's it. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.